course, we're going to take a moment to discuss segmentation using the classification tool. So, first of all, I'm going to zoom in a little bit using the right mouse button. And what we can do is select general areas based on value. So, I'm going to go here, I'm going to select classification. Once I've done that, I can select different color brushes that represent different layers. I can adjust the brush size as needed. And then what you do is basically select an area. You don't have to get too elaborate. I use the middle mouse button to scroll to the next slide and select just an area on a few different levels. Once I've done that, I will also do it a second time to designate a second item. You want to do at least two. Having done that, you can push the train classifier button. And then move on to next. Takes a minute to calculate. And once it's done that, we should be able to place our bubbles and flesh out a model. So using the bubble tool, I'm going to adjust the sizes in this case a little bit, place it in a few different spots. More bubbles helps it go quicker. But I'm not going to spend too much time placing bubbles in this particular case. Having done that, I can push the next button. And once it's ready, I should be able to push the play button, and it will start attempting to the model based on the areas that we've designated. We can push the update button, get a sense of what's happening. Give it another minute or so. If at any point we wish to, we can pause this. You can also use these controls to step back and forward, or you can always redo the process altogether. But now we're starting to get something, it's getting pretty close to giving us a model of what this entire brain looks like in this case. Anyway, once that's gotten to the point that you find it acceptable, at that point it's simply a matter of pushing the finish button to generate the model. In this case, even though it's not quite got the level of detail and resolution that I'd like, I'm going to go ahead and just push finish. And there it is.